Hey, this is mirdominance doing an unboxing. This is long and awaited. I've had it for a while, but then I went on my trip to South Korea and didn't have a time to unbox this. This is the Cardcaptor Sakura hair blow dryer that was made by SuperGroupies. I had pre-ordered it a while ago and it came in literally the day I flew off, so I had to wait 2 weeks to pick it up. But yeah. It's by SuperGroupies, the same company that did the limited edition Cardcaptor Sakura purses and some clothing and stuff like that. The date kept getting pushed back because they were working out, errors with the wattage. But finally it shipped. Packaging looks pretty nice. Bottom. So let's see if I can just open this. Let's see how this is gonna work. Like they packaged this well for protection. Okay. Let's see. Instruction manual. Of course, it's in Japanese. Just, I guess, do's and don'ts and how it works. Just for protective padding. Regular plug, just like American. So if you are living in the US, you should be able to use this without a converter. Be careful because a lot of dryers do not like being used with a converter. So be careful. One of our portable dryers that we took to Seoul actually kind of died on itself because we didn't see small instructions saying do not use with converter. So I would do my research on this if you order this and you're traveling overseas with it, but basically I would either just use it in Japan or US. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, it's really sturdy. Huh. So you put it upright and it has off, cool, hair care, and quick dry. So I'm guessing quick dry is the warmest setting. Hair care is like medium, and then cool is cool air and stuff like that. The nozzle. It looks legit, to be honest. It actually feels sturdier than my real blow dryer. It looks really cute and nice. It's really well made. And of course, don't cut this off, but it's telling you like what to do. Plug it in. Made in 2016. Yeah.